Yo, what's going on, everybody? So like, this right here is a quick video on how to make a raw vegan dressing, okay? Along my journey, I used to struggle hard with, learning how to make a dressing and also just make my salads really, really good. I got adjusted to, making salads that were really, really boring. For example, all I would do is put avocado, olive oil, and cayenne pepper, black pepper, seasoned salt, and really that is it. Sometimes some mustard. That's a real boring salad, to be honest, but that's the kind of salad that I grew accustomed to, you feel me? That's the kind of salad that I grew into, but it's really, really not that flavorful. So the purpose of this video is to give you guys 3 recipes, right? 3 raw vegan recipes that you can, have that's yet delicious, high protein, and also very healthy, and also oil-free, okay? So we got our salad right here. All right, so we got the greens, we have kale, we got lettuce, I forgot what kind of lettuce this even is. If you guys know, comment it down below. We got some beet greens or some Swiss chard in here. We also have some zanahoria, y col, which is like cabbage, and also carrots, some spinach. So yeah, we got a bunch of stuff in here. So the first recipe is something experimental, but it should still be very nutty and flavorful. As you can see here, we have some walnuts. That's a walnut. And we also have a pecan, right? And then we also have some hemp seeds in here too that, I'm not gonna be able to grab and show you. But this is the nuts. So I just had them soaking and now I'm gonna drain them. All right, so I just drained my nuts. Wait, and now what I'm gonna do is fill it up with some coconut water, okay? Pure, regular, nutritious, real coconut water. That should be enough. That's kind of a lot though. But let's see. Oh, actually no, I can still thicken it up because we have the Dijon mustard. So the coconut water is the electrolytes, you feel me? A little bit more sweetness, right? This right here is Dijon mustard. This right here is agave. And we also have a lemon for essentially just preservation, and also some garlic cloves. That should be enough. I probably OD'd though, I ain't gonna lie. I probably OD'd. That was a lot. Now, I'm going to take some of this agave. That's it. When you've been doing this for a long time, you kind of really just eye it and kind of like don't really pay attention to like the specific amounts anymore. And now, I'm just gonna take some of this garlic. So I'm gonna take that, put that in there. Great. This is how you know I've been hitting the gym. Goddamn grip is off. It's a good 4-arm workout though. I had a friend that says I snack a lot. If you're watching this, I really don't care. I'm a schmack now until the day I die. But I'm never gonna really tell you that in person. But if you see this, you know who I'm talking to, and you heard it here first. So this right here is my NutriBullets. Here it is. Look at that. Looking like ranch dressing right now. But let's get a good smell of this. I always smell my food. Am I the only one that does that? Let me know down below. I can't be the only one that smells the food before they lick it. Yeah. That is perfecto. That is fire. It could be a little itty bitty sweeter, but that's perfectly fine for right now. But this is the consistency that you guys want. You want that kind of like milkshake kind of consistency, you feel me? You want that. If it don't jiggle, then it's too stiff and it needs to lubricate, you feel me? And get a little bit more wet. Yeah. So look, we got the next dressing, and this right here is probably a favorite of mine. But we have, it's gonna be the Chipotle, I have it right here, I'm literally looking at it. It's the Chipotle dressing. So pretty much we got some cumin, okay? We have some Chipotle, essential, of course. And we also have some adobo, which is essentially Chipotle peppers, but just it's been through a process. Then we also have some agave and some coconut water. We also have some garlic. Minced garlic is probably preferred, but garlic is garlic, so it works. And we also have a key lime or a lime. And we also have some salt and pepper, okay? So what I'm gonna do, and we got our little bit of, salad right here. But pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a little bit of, let me see. Oh, what am I doing? I'm not even adding the nuts. The nuts are essential. We also have the soaked cashews that have been soaking for probably 24 hours now. We're gonna take this and we're going to put this in here. All right, so we're just putting the cashews inside the blender. So we got our nuts in there, right? Now we're just gonna add in a little bit of this Chipotle. Fire! I can tell right now, this is about to be so damn good. I'm gonna leave it at that, though, for right now. If you understand that look, then you understand what I'm thinking. Okay, so now let's cut this key lime and let's cut a little bit of this garlic, crack it open. Boop. We're gonna take some agave. I don't really want this one to be too sweet, so I'm gonna start kind of light. Now, I'm gonna add some of this cumin inside of, our dressing. How often do you guys eat a salad? So when you are eating on a plant-based diet, you feel me, vegan diet, whatever it is, you feel me, if you're looking to improve your gut health, something that you should do is actually increase the amount of food, the plants that you are consuming in the day, because when you get in a bunch of different foods, you not only improve your gut microbiome, but you also improve your mood, okay? So if you're struggling with anxiety, depression, you feel me, eating a lot of different kind of plants in a day is going to increase the likelihood of you being more happy, more stable, mentally sound, you feel me, things like this. So make sure you eat a very wide range of plants every single day, whether that be fruits, plants, herbs, whatever it is, you feel me, get all of it in there, you feel me, just keep it whole foods and natural and ital, and you will be good. Truthfully, this is my first time ever using this canned. Wow, that is just what is needed for sure. We're gonna drop one in there. It could be a little bit more on the fiery side, so I may just do another pepper, but I do have to add in some lime, so for the preservation, for afterwards, so that I can have this for a couple of days. Comment down below, what are you guys' favorite salad dressing before going plant-based or vegan or whatever it is for you? For me, it was really ranch. However, I really cannot remember the taste of ranch, so yeah, my taste buds have just changed drastically.